Yeah, check out the birds.
Me está atacando el pájaro, boluda.
Pero boluda, no vayas, porque ya no nos va a querer a sus pajaritos. No vayas.
No, eso porque fue.
Go look.
No, did you see how it is to my head?
Yeah, he wasn't that close.
No way.
Go look.
No way.
Go look.
He's coming. We're gonna wait here while Ernest does something silly. Maybe for two. What is he doing? Okay. No, we're gonna stay here. Will you stay here with me? Please. There's so much more big and you won't believe it. What is your mama doing? What is Ernesto doing? You don't know. No clue.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Whoa, whoa, whoa. The birdies? You like
They got feathers.
the chasing the birdies?